Hi there, my name's Douglas Spencer, I work for MACtac UK in the decorative division. This week in Northampton we've been having an open week demonstrating new MACtac products. In this case it's the new MACtac cast vinyl JT5629 and laminate LF3499. It's the first time MACtac have had an out-and-out cast vinyl. It's a lower tack than our present product, although both products will still be sold in conjunction. John's been demonstrating these products all week. We've proved quite successful. As I say, it's a lower tack, easier to use. We've been demonstrating the use of the product. The issues where Vicar wrapping causes problems. So degreasing the vehicle with things like U-Pole, which is a fast drying panel white with a silicone killer in it, and the effects of post-heating, which will be most critical, and also the use of the laminate with no heat in the laminator so you don't stretch the laminate. While demonstrating vehicle graphics this week, we've also been asked the questions of do's and don'ts in vehicle wrapping. Part of the do's and don'ts are preparation of the vehicle. Clean the vehicle the day before, soap and water. Degrease the vehicle using isopropanol or fast drying panel white with silicone killer. The other do's and don'ts are in the printing side of things. Solvent print needs time to degas, i.e. you have to allow time for the solvents to evaporate from the vinyl. Several things can happen if you laminate too quickly. One, the vinyl becomes very chewy in some people's view. The applicators have a nightmare. The other thing that happens is it affects the adhesive tack. While it appears to be tackier when in application, actually it loses its tack because it's the first 24 hours of applicating are the most important. The other side is laminating. Most manufacturers, including ourselves, will say use a certain amount of heat in the laminate. That's okay for your standard laminates, monomerics and polymerics, but cast laminates will stretch very easily. So I say no heat and very little tension. Squeegees. This is the type of squeegee we prefer. You make your own one up in the sense of the felt. One side of the van, you then pull the felt off and put some more felt on. Felt squeegees are okay for certain applications, flat panels, but no good for vehicle wrapping. You lose too much energy in the pressing of the squeegee down and they're not very good for recesses at all.